Hello everyone, John Price here, Director of Vehicle Design at E.C.D Auto. Today I want to talk to you about how we build this amazing defenders that suit each client's lifestyle. So you can build your own. Essentially, we have a very comprehensive design process in which we make everything about our clients, of course. It's all about listening to your needs, finding out exactly how you're going to be using the vehicle, and determining what things might be relevant to your build from the start. So whether it is that you're trying to look for a particular color scheme that you like, something more traditional, something more modern, you want to have a matte paint finish, or something in full gloss so it picks up some of that old school shine, of course, of the early day Defenders. Whatever the case may be, of course, we are here to walk through that process with you and give you all the tools that you need, of course, to make sure that you pin every detail down on your car. Now, our clients, of course, have the ability to further enhance and personalize their vehicles, whether it's they want to add a roof rack they can use for camping or travels, or simply want to have a car that looks more rugged than others. Those are little things, of course, that we can always play with. It will provide 3D mock-ups, of course, of the exterior as well as the interior design of the car, so they know exactly how things are shaping up. And if there's any further adjustments we need to do, we can do so on the fly for them. The beautiful thing about customizing a vehicle with us is that we are always willing to work with our clients, finding the right elements, whether it's they want to have a custom storage box for their hunting trips, or they want to simply add a full extended center console with extra speakers because they're an audiophile. Whatever the situation, of course, and the outcome, we can always resource to our team to find the right solutions for them. Now, our clients, of course, can have a lot of fun playing with different elements. In the interior, for instance, we have unlimited options, of course, for them to choose from, whether they want to have a more rugged interior for a beach truck per se, with no flooring, no carpeting, only Raptor line textured coating throughout, so they can just hose it off whenever they're coming back from the beach, or something elegant where German square weave carpet, leather appointments all throughout the trimmings, wood paneling in the cargo area to elevate, of course, the feel of the car inside and make it, again, a more sophisticated vehicle in that sense. But that's what's really special about building a truck with ECD, that we listen to our clients and really find a way to capture their vision in every angle of the car that way. So whether you're looking for a truck that you like to drive daily, or maybe for a weekend fun on longer trips, or have it at your beach house, whatever the case may be, we're always open to hearing your ideas and just channeling all your thoughts, bringing them together and materializing an amazing vehicle that will match your lifestyle.